everybody. So this is our daily agenda for Thursday, April 1st. So for today, we are wrapping up our 30-day writing challenge. You did it, folks. 30 days. Nice job. So for today, our prompt is describe your experience with this 30-day writing challenge. What did you like? Dislike? Would you do it again? Why or why not, folks? All right. And then today we are working with our podcast on those outros. We're finishing our scripts today. So remember, intro, body, outros. And it's got a call to action, a summary, and any final thoughts. So you should have a call to action. What do you want your audience to do now that they've learned this information? Now that they know about meteors crashing into the moon? My call to action would be, this is why I think more people should know about the moon and the night sky. You never know how much information it could hold. That's what I want my audience to do. They pay more attention to the night sky. That's what I think should change. It might change with some of yours. That's okay. Scripting these outros is also the summary. In a few words, summarize your podcast. Summarize who you are, the podcast, and the most important point you made. So, for example, I have been your host, Mrs. Ornelas, and I am signing off with the importance of meteors crashing into the moon. Remember, folks, whenever you see that twinkle in the night sky, it could contain billions of years worth of history. I think that's amazing. So that would be my quick summary. And then my final outros. Any final thoughts, what you want to leave your reader or your listener off with, just as they're leaving. So this can be a quote, a quick poem, or any clever couple of words you have to say to sign out your podcast. You're going, peace, I'm out. So for my example, I put, I'm going to leave you, listener, with this last quote by David Henry Thoreau. New ideas come into this world somewhat like falling meteors, with a flash and an explosion. Goodbye, listener. Until next time. So, in that, I just try to leave you guys kind of that last final word about meteors, but also a little bit of a quote. I really like David Henry Thoreau, so I thought that was kind of cool to leave you off with. So, for our exit ticket that day, what is your call to action? I want to hear them. So, in your podcasting pages, this is your outro, your call to action, right here. Your final message, your big takeaway. And then your, this should also have your final thoughts. Whoops. I'm going to put it right here. Your final thoughts. Type here. Alright. So, as always, if you guys have any questions or just need more info, always let me know. And I will see you guys soon. I'm going to let you know today you are putting it all together. So type and copy your paragraph here. So your paragraph that you wrote right here, copy and paste it here. The body paragraph, copy and paste it here. Your outro, copy and paste it here. Once you are done, go ahead and highlight this, ladies and gentlemen. Yes or no. Yes or no. Yes or no. So that's all you guys got to do. Just make sure you highlight those out, alright? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are doing great jobs. Make sure you get this all done so that way you don't have to do anything for spring break, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.